Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today I'm going to do my first of probably what's going to be quite a few giveaways. So what I've decided to do is go through my patterns and I'm going to inventory them on Google Sheets, and every duplicate I'm going to give away. Not one in a video, probably, well, what I have right now is 5 in a video. So what I'm going to do, this is going to take a while, but I'm going to get a stack of 5 and do a giveaway. Another stack of 5 and do a giveaway. So today I have 5 pattern books that I'm going to give away to you guys. Now, how this is going to work, so what is today? Well, when you guys are watching this, it's going to be August 10th, okay? So then I'm going to let this run until the 19th. The morning of August 19th, I'm going to stop the giveaway, take all of the comments, and run that through a random comment picker, and that's going to be the winner. So, somewhere throughout this video, I'm going to tell you what word I want you to comment. And if your comment doesn't have that word, then I'm not going to take you as a winner. So, I'm kind of weeding out people that are just, waiting for me. Just the people that are here for the giveaway. Like, you have to watch the video until somewhere in here in this video, I'm going to stop talking and just say the word is blah, blah, blah. Okay. But I want to first tell you today, my husband and I went for a walk, and we walked through a nature center, and it is so hot. By the time we walked 3.5 miles, and by the time we got done, we were both just drenched. So we got in the car, drove home, and driving home, we were like, falling asleep. And then we get home, and I'm sitting there like, I still have to film. I still have to do this. I still have to do that. I still got to clean the litter boxes. So I took my wet clothes off, and I haven't showered yet, I know. But I just put a sports bra on in my pajamas, and I was sitting in the chair, and I went to scratch my leg, and I was like, ugh, what was that? And I looked down, and there was a tick on my leg, and I freaked out, and I am not a bug person. I hate bugs. I hate bugs. I don't care how many times people make fun of me. I can't stand bugs. And so I jumped off the couch real quick and walked up to my husband, and he was in his reclined back, and I threw my leg up and I set my leg on him, and I was like, honey! And he goes, because I plopped my leg on his belly, and he's like, oh, and he got the tick off of me, and I was like, oh, I hate bugs. Anyway, so we did that this morning. Then, of course, where we walked was in the same little area that Nana, my mother-in-law, is in the nursing home. So before we walked, we went and seen her for a little bit, and then we went for a walk. And yeah, so I'll tell you what, I have been so cold the last hour, like just because everything's wet. And yeah, but I'm planning on, once I get this done, I'm gonna go take a shower, and probably, I think we're just gonna have leftovers for dinner tonight. My daughter, our oldest, she came home from college and spent a couple of days. Then she had to go home today. Then she's going to be back on her birthday for like a week, and then she's got to go back home. But anyway, last night, she made a ratatouille, which I thought ratatouille was like, like this fancy side dish or main dish vegetable thing. But it was really easy. It was like almost like a stew. Like, I guess there's more than one way to make it. I don't know. But, oh man, and it was perfect for me because there was no carbs in it, it was all vegetables, and we ended up deciding to put a little smoked sausage in there, and it was really good. But we got enough that we're going to eat that for leftovers tonight. And so that means no cooking. So when I get this done, edit, render, upload, I'm going to go upstairs, take a shower, sit down, crochet on my Finish It Friday. Let me tell you guys, it is adorable. And I think I'm gonna add something to him. But anyway, work on him for a minute and be done with today. So, okay, I just got to go on a little rant like that. But I want to show you guys the patterns that I'm gonna give away. So there's 5 booklets. Booklets are just, I don't know, would you call them leaflets? Yeah, it says leaflets. Well, this is a book. 5 books. So this first one, this is called, okay, so before we get started, I want to tell you guys something. When I'm on my hunt in thrift stores or antique stores for crochet pattern books, the first thing I look for is that little thing right there. If it says leisure arts, it's definitely going to either be cross stitch or it's going to be crochet or knit. And when it's crocheted, I know it's going to be a good book because leisure art does really good books. But anyway, so this one is, I'm reading it backwards, Crocheted Patchwork Grannies for Afghans, pillows, and bedspreads. And I absolutely love that block. That's a quilt block too. Flying Geese? Is that what that's called? Maybe not. I don't remember. But it comes with, so of course you get, the general instructions and directions and how to finish it and weave it in your ends. Oh, it's called Clay's Choice. Oh. So you get the pattern for this, which, this Afghan, get on camera, this Afghan and this Afghan are the same. They're just changed the colors. So you get that and it tells you how, to make a twin size, a full size, a queen, and a pillow. Okay. I'm a little confused what it's talking about. Using scrap colors and then using planned colors. Okay. I was like, why is it in here twice? I get it. So it's scrap and then, well, that's scrap colors. This is planned. Okay, so it tells you how to do both of those. And then it gives you the pattern for the flower pot. So that's also a quilt block. And that is so stinking pretty to me. I love that. So it tells you how to do that in a twin, full, or a queen, and a little pillow with it. Oh, that's so cool. See, I forget I have these. But yeah, I have this. So this is why this is in the giveaway. So you're going to get this one. You are going to get Afghans and pillows to knit and crochet. Look at that. Very pretty. Man, I really, really, really want to do like a little sample of the Afghan stitch with the cross stitch on it. Like that can't be, I've cross stitched, I'm not an expert, but I know a little about it, and that can't be that hard. Although I've only ever cross stitched on Aida cloth. I've never done it on, Tunisian crochet. But anyway, so this comes with, you are going to get, the basic instructions. You got one, 2, oh heck, wait a minute, 3, 4, you get 2 knitted, or 3 knitted, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 crocheted. Look at that. Dang. Okay, let me get close. So there's that one. That one's crocheted. That one's I love that one. That one's crocheted. The colors of that, I love that. That's knitted. And then you get, that one is crocheted. And that one's knitted. That is so cool. Dang, I should have chose that one as my walking pad Afghan. There's time. All right, so you are going to, oh, wait a minute. There's more on the back. I forgot. Look at that one. That looks like a really good practice one for the Afghan stitch. And then you get, of course, my favorite stitch, the pineapple stitch. All right, I about hit myself in the face. Another leisure art. So you're going to get that one. How about we insert now the word to comment. So if you want to be entered into this giveaway, go down to the comment section, and I don't care what you tell me, just as long as your comment includes the word hot, H-O-T. Because let me tell you, I was hot and sweaty today. Yeah, so if you want to be entered into the giveaway, comment down below the word hot. Okay? Good luck. I will see you guys again on the 19th. All right, so the next one is the Afghan book, which I'm not sure. Well, I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so the Afghan book. Look at that. That is like a sampler cross stitch. That is so cool. Oh, it says embroidered. I don't know. So you gotta get that one and that one. Let me see if there's a page. Yep. Oh, look at these. You're kidding me. Look at that one. I love Afghans. And then you get this one. Ooh, this one's knitted. Definitely knitted. Oh, this one is, it's crocheted, obviously. I mean, I know that, but the sailboat in the center kind of threw me off for a minute. Very pretty. Then you got this. Look at that one. Woo, look at this. Dang it. I'm saying dang it because I wish I would have seen these before I started my walking pad Afghan. Ah, look at that. Hold on. This. Look at that one. The thing that gets me about this is that these are crocheted, and then I think, I could totally be wrong, but I think what you do is you take like one or two, yeah, look right there. Look at that. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, right there. See that white right there? You take 2 strands of the white and you're weaving it in and out through the entire Afghan, and then you're making the, you know, the little tassel at the bottom. In my mind, I am thinking something's going to get snagged on that and pull it out, or, you know, something to that effect. But it's still stunning. Like, holy cow. Okay. I'm going to leave the rest of what, actually, yeah. What? That's got broomstick lace in it. I didn't know that. Okay, I'm going to leave the rest of the Afghans as a surprise to the winner. I'm not going to show any more out of that one. So this one is, I believe it's 66 easy to crochet. I'm trying to get, there's a, like a rummage sale, little round sticker on it, and I'm trying to get it off, but I can't get it. I'll let you get it. All right, it is 66 easy to crochet pattern stitches combined to make an heirloom Afghan. So there's 66 blocks, and you can make, you know, an Afghan all in one block, or you make all 66 blocks. I want to double check that it, yeah. No, wait a minute. Okay, maybe I lied. Is it 63? You can't see it because it's messed up right there. So if I open the book, there's only it's 63. I'm sorry, I lied. It's 63. But here is every single block. And if I remember right, they end in, like, each block has the same number of stitches all the way around, so you can combine them all. But yeah, look at that. Oh, I did not notice this. I am such a dope. I did not notice this. Blue, pink, white, blue. I didn't see it. Cause I would have just, you know, jumbled it all up, but I didn't notice. Oh, for Pete's sake. All right. And the last one is Afghan Book 2. And it's another Leisure Arts. And let's see. You are going to get, oh, perfect. It's a page that shows everything. You're going to get, are they both? Is this knitted and crocheted? Or just crocheted. Yeah, I think this is just crocheted. Nope, that's a knitted. Okay. You're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 patterns. I'm not going to show you every one because I want you guys to be surprised when when you get this. I'm not showing you this one. Oh, that is so pretty. I'm not going to show you that one, but I want to show you at least something. Okay, I really like this. I really, really, really like that. So I think there's 2 knitted patterns in here. And I really like, I really like that one too. Very pretty. All right. Is that it? Yeah, there we go. Okay. So you're going to get all 5 of these. 1, 2. My hands are too little to hold all the books. I'm trying to hold them like a deck of cards. There you go. You're going to get all 5 of these in your giveaway. And I might, throw a little something extra in there. You never know. All right. So if you watched somewhere in this video, I commented the word that you need to, well, I'm sure. Now that I think about it, why did I even do that? Because somebody could just go to the comments and see. Try to hide the word. How's that? Try to hide it. Like, don't just comment the word and then move on. It'll be too easy to figure out. That was silly. I shouldn't have done that. Somebody could figure it out just by going to the comment section. Anyway. All right. Thank you. Oh, I just hit myself in the face. I hit myself in the face. I'm trying not to laugh because when I laugh, a vein pops out in my head, on my forehead, and my kids make fun of me. So I don't try not to show it. Okay, so I am super excited for this giveaway because it's a great way for me to dwindle down my collection, but also at the same time show you guys how much I value you guys. If it wasn't for you, what's the point of this? And also, this is the first time I've gotten to record since I found out what happened to Terry at Yarn Joy Podcast. And I am going to continue to do this until she is bigger and better than she was before, because that woman, I does never would anyone deserve this, but she would be the #1 person that never did not deserve what happened to her. What happened was that her channel was hacked. It was taken down. She lost it. Now, at this moment of me recording this, I don't know, if she's gotten her channel back, if she's trying to get it back, if she's going to start over. I don't know. I'm following her everywhere I can because I want to, stay up to date with what's happening. Because definitely as soon as she gets it back, I'm subscribing again because I love Terry. I emailed her and, told her, Terry, if you're watching this, I emailed you. I'm going to keep it between you and I, but I will be here. Like, this community will stand behind you no matter what. And we will make this crappy thing that happened a blimp in the past, right? We will, this community will make you bigger and better than you, okay, I'm lost for words. I'm done. I'm not good with words, and I don't want to get teary-eyed because I absolutely love Terry, and she's amazing, and never did she deserve anything like this. So, and I told her, I said I was going to keep the email between us, but I told her in the email that I hope the person that did that, or, the people that did that, every day stubs their toe. Every single day. Same toe. And I hope that eventually that toenail is just busted open and infects, and that's karma. So, thank you guys for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss what's next. And I will catch you guys in the next word. Next word. And the next one. Don't forget to comment the word. All right. I will see you guys later. Bye.